Hi students, welcome back to Whichcom YouTube channel. Already we got one or two videos regarding the VAT and so many videos, guiding videos for the JEE mains and all competitive examination including MSET, MHT, CET. Everything will be guided at one place at Whichcom YouTube channel. So don't think much and just subscribe this channel and start with a like. So in the previous video, I made complete details about the admission procedure and admission dates, fees, and everything. But some people got some doubt and written on the comment section. After this video, also, if you got any doubts, you can also write to me in comments. I will try to make a clarity with through the next video. And don't hesitate to share this video to all your friends who are wanted to be a good doctor and save their lives by giving a correct appropriate information from the Whichcom YouTube channel. So let's start with the scholarship category. There are a lot of doubts, sir. What do you mean by scholarship category 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? And what do you mean by group A and group B? So if you already know these details, just you can skip this video and check out the latest details about the Hyderabad Triple IT Hyderabad and do the preparation for the JEE mains coming session through the previous year salt paper. That link I'm going to give you in the description, and join my Telegram group so that you will get the updates in short updates if there in that I will be intimating through my Telegram group. So check the description and then get the complete details. Okay, coming to this video topic, scholarship 1 to scholarship category 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Actually, this is just like a making another way of funds. Okay, so if you are in more scholarship category 1 means you are saving your fees. That means your donation amount is less. So your donation amount is more when you are into the category 5. So and don't think that category 1 you will join on your own. The number of seats in each and every category in each and every branch are fixed. Deliberately they kept the number of seats in the category 1 very less so that very few students can avail the less fee amount and more of the people. So as per the current scenario, maximum you can join in any branch up to the maximum scholarship category of 1 and 2. Beyond that, I don't think. It is my personal opinion. It depends upon your financial condition also. And I will in the by the end of this video I will show you the complete expenditure for the total BTech. Okay, so stay tuned. And this is about the scholarship category. That means you are in the scholarship category 5 means your donation amount is more, and in scholarship category 1 donation amount is less. So this is another way of taking the donation from the VAT. Now coming to the one more tricky trick they played for group A and group B. Okay, so what are the group A and what are the group B? So frankly speaking, for group A, they are not good courses, because I will show you the list of the courses. To make the more number of students to get into these branches, they have deliberately kept the good less required, less demand branches in group A, more demanding branches in group B. Okay, and here you can see the fees difference also there for one group A courses. What are the group A courses? That also I will tell you, and I will suggest some of the courses for you. So group A is from 1,76,000 and group B is 1,98,000. So do remember, if you join in the category, suppose scholarship category 5 and you are in the scholar in the group B, obviously you will be going for a good branch only. So if you are going for a good branch, this tuition fees, see, one more trick is that this is a tuition fees 4,93,000. Can we make it for 5 lakhs? Okay, so 5 lakhs per year you are giving fees, tuition fee, and this does not includes mess fees and hostel fees. And in mess also there will be three types of menus. Okay, veg, non-veg, super special. So everything is money based in VIT. So if you want to enjoy the luxury, this is the best place by paying your own cost. And let's see the courses under Group A and Group B. Then we will discuss further matters. So as I said, Group A is containing less demanding like bioengineering. It depends upon your caliber also. If you have good interest, then it is the best place. So bioengineering, biotechnology, chemical engineering, civil engineering, electrical and electronics, electronics instrumentation, production industrial engineering, engineering, fashion technology, be this industrial design. So these are the course comes under which comes under the group A, where you have to pay less fees. But if you are very interested about biotechnology or bioengineering or civil engineering or chemical engineering, then this is the best place. You will be paying less fees, and most probably you will be getting the seat easily also because of the demand. Okay, so let's see the group B. So in the group B, you can see here demanding branches, computer science, the heart of the VIT, the probably we can say the best Indian course, core computer course is offered by VIT, and that too at the Chennai branch. And if you are getting the seat, definitely you are going to get a crazy offers after your 4 years completion. Computer science and engineering with specialization in cyber physical systems, computer science engineering. I was talking about the core, and these are the specialization. Computer science and engineering with specialization in data analysis, computer engineering with specialization data science, computer science with the gaming technology, engineering with specialization IT with specialization networking security, and electronics and communications, IoT, biomedical. So many courses, good courses are in the group B. Just to give you a good appearance, the group A is considering the less demanding courses. Group B is added with the more demanding courses. I think all of you understood about the all. Still, if you got anything doubt, ask me in the comment section. Definitely, I will be making a video on that, or if possible I will try to clarify through the comment section. And don't forget to join my telegram group and like this video and get the guidance for the IIT JEE forthcoming examination and various other entrance examinations. See you, bye bye for the day.